Good morning guys. Magandang umaga, maayong buntag, ang todos ustedes trabajanos, buenas aga. Now guys, we have a simple activity about my collection. Year 2008, commemorative coins, old coins, and foreign coins. Guys, year 2008 is considered as hard to find. Why in 4 months I will earn only 15 pesos of these kinds of coin, and including these commemorative coins, so it's hard to find guys. And this one old coins, so also hard to find, only 4 pieces including foreign coins. Year 2008 is different to the other year. This coin is very shiny. Look, very shiny. And also this commemorative coins, marble coins, Andres Bonifacio and Juan Luna. Jose Rizal, 1972 and 1974. And 2 piso coins at the back of this coconut tree. And foreign coins, Elizabeth II, Solomon Island. It's so very nice. If you look that, it's like a gold. Okay guys, thank you for watching and God bless us.